Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a record on the Namecheap website. So the first thing is you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. It could be possibly working for you or whatever you're using in your PC. Once you open that browser, go to the URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, and which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the website. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and click at sign in, enter your username and password, and if you don't have an account, just go and create one and sign in up. Of course, once you logged in at your account, you'll find something like this for yourself. Of course, before start, you'll like to have a domain name if you want to add some records, of course. And once you do that, and of course, if you have it, you can just go into your domain lists here. And here you will find your domain names. If you have a lot, you will find them all. Of course, here you can just go and click at manage here. You will not have verify contacts. So let me fix that and I'm coming back. So let me just refresh this. And here, of course, I will find the manage now on here. So of course, if you find verify contacts for yourself, make sure to click on the arrow and click as manage. Once you're here, make sure to click on this advanced DNS tab. And of course, now you would like to go into this host records and click at this option, add a new record. Here, as you can see, you will have to choose what record you would like to add. Of course, here are a lot of options. So choose whatever suits you and of course fill the host and the IP address. And of course choose if it's automatical or choose whatever you want from here. Then hit the check button and which will save all the changes for you. Of course, if you want to go back, you can just click here at the cancel button and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.